Indian authorities are confiscating Kashmir's properties to punish them for demanding right to self-determination. Recently, Modi regime illegally seized many residential houses in Kishtwar and other areas of occupied Jammu and Kashmir.
Pakistan remains concerned about the continuing seizure of properties of Kashmiris in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the recent seizure of properties of 13 individuals in Kishtwar district. Indian actions are part of an ongoing drive to confiscate Kashmiri lands and properties, to harass and intimidate the Kashmiri people and punish them for their dissenting political views.
On one hand, Indian authorities are seizing properties of Kashmiris, and on the other hand, their residential houses and business centers are being demolished under pretext of so-called anti-encroachment drive. These steps by Modi regime clearly show hatred of Hindutva elements against Kashmiri Muslims. Indian authorities have seized more than 178,000 acres of land in Kashmir Valley. In Jammu region, more than 25,000 acres of land have been confiscated. The drive to evict native Kashmiri Muslims from their ancestral lands is in full swing. In bitter cold, Kashmiri Muslims have been forced to live under open sky. Kashmiri Muslims say that the motive behind this demolition drive is to alter the demography of the occupied region and reduce Muslim majority into a minority. Non-Kashmiri Hindus in large numbers have been given rights of permanent residence, vote and government jobs in occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Residential houses of many pro-freedom leaders, human rights activists and journalists have been seized to punish them for raising voice against Indian atrocities. These Indian tactics are aimed at forcing the Kashmiris to abandon their freedom struggle. Kashmiris are protesting against this Indian state terrorism. Indian authorities are arresting peaceful Kashmiri protesters. In jails, these Kashmiri prisoners are subjected to inhuman torture. Global human rights organizations have also raised voice against demolition of Kashmir's properties by Indian authorities. Akar Patel, a senior official of Amnesty International, has said that the ongoing demolitions appear to be an extension of the brutal human rights violations in Jammu and Kashmir. He further said that these demolitions could amount to forced evictions, which constitute a gross violation of human rights. The large-scale seizure and demolition of properties in the occupied region make it clear that Modi regime is planning to annihilate Kashmiri Muslims. However, all these atrocities by India have failed to dampen the spirits of Kashmiris, and they are determined to continue their march towards freedom.
दुरुस्त हर वक्त बर वक्त